What's up, YouTube? We here today with some trick or trade Pokemon packs. Saw this at Ralph's. Thought I'd give it a little try. Has 35 mini packs. Seems like a pretty cool alternative to candy for Halloween. Anyways, haven't opened Pokemon packs in a long time, so that I might give them a try. So that's what they look like. It's a cool little. You got Gengar, Espeon, or Umbreon, excuse me. Let's see what we got in here. I haven't opened a pack in a minute. Why is this so difficult? Oh, there we go. So these are mini packs, so they only have 3 cards in them. Ooh. Okay. Got an Iron Jugulus. Sinistra? It's a holo. And a Graveyard. Again, I haven't opened Pokemon cards in a long time, so sorry if I'm mispronouncing. Oh, I see they got a little. I don't know what these come with, so hopefully there's some good cards in here. Chandelure. Ooh, a Gengar. That's pretty nice. If it'll focus. Anyway. And Pumpkaboo. I like these silver borders. I'm pretty sure that's new. They weren't silver when I was opening them. Let's see what else we got in here. Got Ghastly. Whoa, Teal Mask Ogerpon. Ooh, well, that's pretty sick actually. And a Houndstone. Okay. I'm only gonna open up 2 more for this little pack, but hey, I got 35 of these joints. And I don't get very many trick-or-treaters, so I'll save probably like 10 for trick-or-treaters. Okay, Lampert. Mimikyu. I love Mimikyu. He's so cool. And Sprigaleo. And then last pack. Let's see what we got. So it seems like each one of these comes with a single holo for sure. Fuecoco. Darkrai. Ooh, nice. And a Gourgeist. Okay. Hey, I'll take it. So let's see. So we got Darkrai, Mimikyu, Ogerpon. I haven't played much Sword and Shield, or what is this? Scarlet Violet. I don't even know what that Pokemon is. Gengar and Sinistra. That's new to me as well. I only knew Sinistea. Let's just take one more look at the cards. I really hope. Oh, there we go. Come on, you can do it. There we go. Oh, come on. Hello. Okay, Sinistra. Gengar. Teal Mass Ogerpon. Come on. There you go. Mimikyu. Any second now. This cam sucks, bro. And a Darkrai. Darkrai is one of my personal favorites, personally. Okay. And that was my 5 for now. And I will probably open up a couple more in later weeks. Seeing as I guess I'll just show the box. This is the box. Booster bundle. It's not a bad little deal right there. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know if you want to see more of this kind of stuff. Like and follow, and I'll see you next time. Peace.